Hey, this is Fathima Nasha from S5 BCom. My topic is basic structure of HTML document. HTML or Hypertext Markup Language serves as the backbone of the World Wide Web, providing the fundamental structure and content for web pages. Its basic structure consists of elements that defines the layout, text, multimedia, and links of the web page. Links on a web page. Let's explore the foundational component of the HTML to better understand how web content is structured and presented. Here is a small HTML structure. What is HTML? HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. Is a standard language used to create and structure content on the web. Its structure is based on the hierarchical system of elements that define the various parts of web page. A brief overview of the basic structure of HTML. Document type declaration. Type. This declaration is the very first line of HTML document and defines the version of HTML being used. For example, type HTML indicates the use of HTML. Element type. HTML element. The entire HTML document is enclosed within the HTML element. This element contains two main sections. First one, head. The head section contains meta information about the document, such as the title of the page, character encoding, and link to the external source like style sheets and scripts. Body. The body section contains the main content of the web page, including text, image, links, forms, and other elements that used interact with. Heading. HTML provides 6 levels of heading, from H1 the highest to H6 the lowest. Headings are used to structure and organize content, with H1 typically representing the main heading of a page or section. Paragraphs. Text content often enclosed within P paragraph and elements to separate it into distinct paragraphs. Links. Hyperlinks are created using the anchor element. They allow users to navigate to other web page or resources. Next one, list. HTML support both ordered list OL, numbered list, and unordered list UL, which means bullet list, which contain list items LI. Images. Images are displayed using the img element. The src attribute specific the image file source, and the alt attribute provide the alternative text for accessibility. Forms. Forms are created using form element, contain various input elements like text field, radio button, checkbox, and buttons for user interaction. Tables. Tables are defined within the table element. Consist of row. Row is consisted using by tr, and column with th for the heading and td for the data cells. Divisions. div. Elements are used for grouping and styling purpose. They act as containers to group other elements together and supply CSS styles. Comments. Comments can be added to the HTML code using exclamatory mark, content text. They are ignored by the web browsers and are useful for adding notes or explanation within the code. Hope you all understood about the basic structure of HTML document consists of essential elements such as doc type, HTML, its head and body. These elements provide the framework for creating web pages within head containing metadata and the body containing the visible content. HTML structure, when combined with the various tags and attributes, allow web developers to create rich and interactive web pages to display information and engage users. Thank you. Hope you all understood